Hey, what's up guys? Welcome to a new video on the channel. This video will go about security camera, one of the smallest in the market, the Wanscam, with all the specifications that we will show in the video that is to come. I'm talking to this voice recorder because I'm too far away from the camera, and that's why I'm doing this. So I will hope that you are going to like this video, that it can help you deciding if it is a good camera or not. So stay tuned. This is how it looks like when it is mounted on a wall, and here are the impressive specs for such a low-priced camera. H.264 high-quality compression for quick transfer via Wi-Fi and for saving space on the SD card. An impressive 50 meters night view like we will show later on. Full pan and tilt in both directions. We will show the zoom function later on. It also has two-way audio. It works on desktop and on mobile. 4 zones, motion detection, memory card up to 128 gigs, waterproof and all that good stuff. This bracket is a quite handy tool, and this is what comes with the package. The motion of this camera is very swift because it is small and very light, of course. Watch this. And again. And again. Here another view of the capabilities of this light camera, the pan and tilt capabilities that is, and it is filmed from inside because it was raining. You can reach the cover from the card slot when you tilt the camera at the highest point up. In the normal positions, it is covered under the dome. This is the Internet Explorer module of the camera. You can change the video quality like so. Like you can see, the PTZ speed is impressive. The zoom range is more than sufficient also. The motion detection zones show up here in red rectangles. You can set some fixed PTZ points. Set. Click on set, yes. And give it a number. And now we are looking for another one to set. Give it a number, 8. Click on set. And now we are going to call number 7, call. and it goes to that point. It remembers that point. Now we choose another one, number 8, click on call, and it goes to that fixed point. Video settings for all the different screens. First stream, second stream, and third stream. So you can use these different streams. Then the audio settings, recording settings, you can plan them by day and by hour, and in which stream you would save them. The alarm services, every day of the week, every hour, and where to save it, as a picture or as a video on the SD card. A lot of settings, so that's quite complete. Email and FTP, everything is there. System log, network settings. What have we? DNS, PTZ, the speed. Always click on apply when you change these. Then we have the multiple settings. If you have multiple cameras, I will show you in the next screen how to do that. Always click on apply, go back here and click on more cameras. And here we have them. You can go up to a lot of cameras, but they all have to be compatible with the system, of course. Back to the settings. User settings, passwords, motion. That was the maintained and the on viv. And then we have the motion detection zones. There are up to 4 zones that you can install with the sensibility, the sensitivity, and where to save the pictures as a snapshot or with an interval. Always click on apply. Video masking, you can always mask out zones that you are not allowed to see, up to 4 zones. And then the image quality, brightness, contrast, and so on. And the infrared light, you will have to set on or auto or off in this screen, and that's a bit far away to look after that setting always. So that's a minus point. Of course, you can reach for the videos and the photos on the SD card. And for the videos, there are 2 different ways that I will show you in the videos next to come here. First, click on Settings, then on Browsing the SD card. Then you can reach for the folders with the images or the folders with the videos. Then you can choose to view or to download the videos. You can also use the player that is in the program on Internet Explorer itself. Search for the videos on the SD card on the desired date And here is an example. In the next menu, there is a possibility to format the SD card or stop using it before removing. Now I'm going to show you how to put the infrared light on or off and how to reach the menus. This definitely is not user-friendly at all. Could be a lot better, and in the mobile app there is no way of doing this. The mobile app isn't worth testing here because it isn't any good at all. Conclusion: the image quality is outstanding. PTZ speed is fantastic. User-friendly in the Internet Explorer, it is that way. Installation, I will show it. I will give a link above and in the description below. The SD card install is very good, got a 10. Desktop program is awesome. The mobile program isn't any good at all, not usable. So that is for the positive, and the negative is sound quality is very bad, and the infrared light is not reachable directly via a button or something like that. You have to go through difficult menu settings. That's it, guys. So that's it for this video, guys, and these mushrooms lead you through the end. I thank you for watching this video and looking it out to the end. Even if you didn't like it, consider subscribing. If you didn't and you want to leave a comment, do it in the descriptions below. Hit the bell icon so you won't miss out on anything in the future. There's good content coming your way. And I will see you in the next one. Thank you.